Hi folks, I'm Marty with Remax Real Estate. Once an inspection is completed, many sellers feel one of two things: relief or tension. Because this is the moment buyers often return with requests. Let's talk about how to handle this stage strategically. Expect a request. Almost every inspection generates findings. Buyers may request repairs, price reductions, or credits on closing. This is normal. An inspection report is not a threat. It's a negotiation tool. The key question isn't whether they ask, it's how we respond. Separate material from cosmetic. Effective negotiation starts with clarity. Material concerns include structural issues, safety hazards, and major mechanical failure. Cosmetic or minor wear includes aging fixtures, small drywall cracks, and routine maintenance items. Not every item justifies a concession. We evaluate what materially affects value and what does not. Control the tone. Emotion is the greatest risk in inspection negotiations. If sellers feel criticized, they react. If buyers feel dismissed, they escalate. Strong strategy means calm analysis. We assess current market conditions, competing inventory, buyer motivation, and the probability of collapse. Then we respond with intention, not reaction. When to hold firm. Hold firm when the issue is minor, the property was properly priced, buyer competition exists, or the request exceeds reasonable scope. Confidence protects leverage. When to adjust. Adjust when the concern is material, the repair impacts safety or financing, market conditions are softer, or the buyer is otherwise strong and committed. The objective is not to win an argument, it is to secure the outcome. Inspection negotiations are not about conflict, they are about risk management. Handled correctly, this stage protects equity and keeps the transaction moving forward. If you'd like to explore the full seller strategy series, including pricing, exposure, and buyer psychology, you can find the complete playlist here on the channel. I'm Marty with Remax Real Estate, and this is how we engineer outcomes at every stage.